I don't want y'all to take this ass whipping personally.
Jackie Trucks.
We just better than you are.
Gangsta Grill, Gangsta.
This is my bike check. In the front, I've got a duo stunner, natural wall, with a proper front wheel, Scavenger flat iron forks, an Eastern headset, with a stock cap. I've got carbon fiber spacers, stolen top load stem, Colt Van grips, Animal bar ends, Fly Bikes Pantera bars, 8.5 rise by 28.5 wide, Odyssey mono lever, Odyssey SLS linear cable, red zippy tie. Got these Fly Bike stickers and Scavenger on We the People. I guess he says it's a Justice, but I think it's a Crisis, because it said Crisis in the bottom bracket area. I've got an S&MC post clamp, kink belt seat and fat, a stolen sprocket. It's only temporary. I'm getting something way nicer. Profile, racing cranks with Odyssey JC PC pedals. The cranks were chrome, but the idiot that had the bike before me painted them black. Got a Sun Rhino Light rim with red shadow spokes going to an Eastern bidirectional, and that's why I'm riding left-hand drive. I do not have pegs on right now, but I do most of the time. And I've got a shadow bottom bracket, and yeah, that's my bike. So yeah, next is gonna be Ryan Kinney's bike, and this was Logan Oakley. This is my friend Ryan Kinney's bike. In the front, he's got a Fit FAF tire and tan wall, 2.3. Alienation Deviant front rim laced to the Alienation hub. It's the UL, the lightest production hub, or not hub, wheel on the market. He's got Primo Strand V2 forks, one carbon fiber spacer with black spacers, FSA headset, a stolen Convict front load stem, S&M Slam bars with ODI long neck grips. He's got Shadow Conspiracy bar ends, Odyssey SLS linear cable that's really long. He's got the Odyssey mono lever coming to the frame. He's got a custom painted kink launch with profile GDH cranks, Animal Hamilton pedals sealed, an Odyssey Burlington sprocket with a Shadow half-link chain that is very rusty. He's got a duo stunner in the back in Tanwa with a Primo mix hub, or remix. Oh wait, no, it's a mix, I guess. Odyssey Evo brakes with the Odyssey cable hanger, and yeah, that's his bike check. Oh wait, a Primo seat. It used to be mine. And that seat post clamp that I got for free that I gave him.
Surprisingly, you got it all.
I know your bike.
Except for the Primo 7005 series rim.
Well, I could have said that. I already knew that. Because Marcus Pruitt says it in all his edits.
Right.
I had the Primo 7005 rim.
Right.
Okay, let's get like clips of 2 tricks or something.
Huh?
Clips of 2 tricks or something.
Can't do tricks.
Just do a 180.
Can't 180. I haven't rated in like 2 weeks.
You did a 180 like 3 days ago when it was warm. Fun. Are you doing tricks or no?
Maybe.
Because I'm gonna make fun of you if you don't.
Alright, you can make fun. I'll let you make fun of me.
Spare witness, not at all. Addicted to the thrill and I can't afford to withdraw. I'm high above the law, sitting on my high
Hurry up, do a trick. Do a trick. Do a trick.